So today we're going to be talking about the American beech. Its scientific name is Fagus grandifolia, and it's one of America's most common or one of the most recognizable hardwood trees. It could be mistaken for an aspen or even potentially a gray birch. But what I think it sets it apart is its serrated leaves. But it does have a silverish gray bark, and does have those oval shaped tree leaves, just like a birch might. But the serrated edges are definitely more prominent and dramatic. Um, this species can grow up to 100 feet tall. Personally, I would say that's not as common. It depends on what succession it's in and where it's found. But it typically can be expected to form a denser canopy, typically being found in a shadier spot amongst other hardwoods like maple or birch or even some eastern hemlock. This species definitely provides an incredible source of food and is incredibly important to specific animal species habitats like squirrels, and definitely deer. Um, but it's definitely more found most commonly in richer, moisture soils, especially in the Northeast, all the way down to the Southeast. It's not typically commercially sought out after, but definitely providing the beech nut as an integral food source for wildlife, and basically being a cornerstone to forest ecosystems as a whole. I think what we're seeing mostly now with the American beech is its struggle with what we see as beech bark disease, or what we know as beech bark disease and beech leaf disease. This condition in combination with a serious invasive fungus can be spread rapidly across most of the region that you'll find American beech in. Um, it is taking out entire groves and is having a significant impact on uh, wildlife species as a core source of food, specifically for deer in the Northeast, which is where I'm from. They also provide an integral piece to have their habitat as a whole. The more we're seeing this, the more we're trying to fight that and conserve and restore the species. Um, but yeah, hopefully, I mean, down here you're not seeing it as much, but in the Northeast it's a little bit more um, kind of at the forefront.